Everyone. Have you ever dreamed of having a robot that can bake cakes perfectly every time? Well, today's your lucky day. Meet RoboBake 3000, the futuristic baking assistant you didn't know you needed. First up, let's see it in action. This little guy can measure ingredients with pinpoint accuracy. Just pour your flour, sugar, and all the good stuff into the compartments, and RoboBake takes care of the rest. It even sifts the flour for you. Want the perfect batter consistency? RoboBake has got you covered. It mixes everything to perfection, ensuring no lumps are left behind. And get this, it even adjusts the speed and direction of the mixer automatically based on the recipe. Now onto the fun part, decorating. RoboBake can pipe frosting and intricate designs that'll leave your guests in awe. Whether it's swirls, flowers, or even your favorite characters, it does it all with a flick of a switch. And if you're worried about cleanup, don't be. RoboBake has a self-cleaning mode. Just add some water and soap and it cleans itself, saving you loads of time and effort. So, whether you're a seasoned baker or just starting, RoboBake 3000 is the ultimate kitchen companion for creating delicious masterpieces. Who knew baking could be this futuristic and fun? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome baking adventures. See you next time.